Hi guys, as promised by I'm Indore, they have given us the details of the new paper pattern. Yeah, so as a detailed breakup, we were all expecting that they will disclose the number of questions, but unfortunately they have not disclosed the number of questions. Yeah, so far. Hopefully they will disclose. So we have to wait and watch for that. For the time being, the only thing they said that we are going to disclose all the changes. Yeah, so what changes they have told us is there will be 3 sections. Instead of 2 sections, there will be 3 sections, and they've given us the timing for that. So the morning slot, morning session will be 8:30 to 10:30. That is the morning slot. Yeah, morning session will be 8:30 to 10:30. Afternoon slot will be from 12:30 to 2:30, and evening slot will be from 4:30 to 6:30. Yeah. Now the moment CAT admit card will be out, I'll make a dedicated video for that we have to change our timing, study timing according to this. For example, those who study in the night, will love to sleep in the morning, right? So by 8:30 to 10:30 is the best time to sleep for me, for example. Yeah. Now, if that time you want me to wake up and give the exam, I'll be walking like a zombie. My brain will be 50% dead, or will not in the mood to study, because my body language, or it will be shown in the body language as well. Same way, those who don't work, दोपहर को जो सोने का मज़ा आता है, मेरे से पूछो, तो जो लोग दोपहर को सोते हैं वो मेरे साथ they can agree with me कि yes, दोपहर को जो सोने का मज़ा आता है. I can't sleep with a better sleep in the night as compared to what I sleep in the afternoon. 1 घंटा सोता हूँ, लेकिन जो that's power nap, and that's very, very powerful. Okay, so at that time, if you are going to give the mock exam, so you are going to fumble. So the moment admit cards are out, last 30 days, last 20 days, I want to change your timing into this. So you will be giving the mock at morning 8:30, yeah, or 12:30 or 4:30, depending upon which slot you will get. Yeah, see, those who are working, they already enabled themselves, their body is already tuned to work in the afternoon. But those who are at home, or those in the college, or those on the Zoom session now attending the online lectures, so we all understand what is happening. So we have to change our timing. Yeah, the exam will start at 8:30. Please note that exam will start at 8:30. This means if you live in a place like Mumbai, Delhi, where you have to travel at least 1.5 kilometers to reach the center, you have to leave home at like 6 a.m. and you have to, which means get up at 5:30 a.m. so that you can leave at 6, reach the center at 7:30, so that the exam can start at 8:30. Yeah, so start working. We will start working on that, not from today, but the day admit card is out. So you have to wait and watch for the admit card, and the moment admit card is out, we will look into this. Now, why they are doing all these things is because, obviously, for the fact, because of the coronavirus. So they have, what they said, they tried to reduce the number of students in one slot. Suppose my center, which was in Navi Mumbai, there was only 100 students in one slot, so total to 200 students. Now what they're going to do, they're going to do 70 students. Okay, all right, so this is the first change which is there.